This right here is my favorite watch display case, made by a company called Holman Hadfield. And if you've been following my channel for a while now, you'll know that I have a collection of analog watches, and I think this watch case is the best looking one. So I decided to make this video because this watch case just got better. But before I show you the new version, let me show you what this current watch case looks like and why it's my favorite. First of all, you've got this really nice looking acrylic case. You have 4 posts and a drawer in the front, which can serve as a storage for your watch accessories, or maybe even little tech items or knives, maybe even a pair of AirPods or something. Just the addition of all these storage spaces is actually just a really nice thing to have. It's a really nice watch case for like $89 on Amazon, and they have high ratings for good reason. Their first product was such a success that they decided to make a knife display case. The same concept, but I think this is a brilliant idea because I've never seen a display case for knives. Same concept, a little bit larger. You have the acrylic glass on top. You have the knives that can sit in these fixed posts. Same concept, drawer in the front, with 2 extra spaces for 2 more knives and more storage space here for everything else. I think this one costs a little bit more at 120 bucks. But again, I've never seen a knife display case before, so this is a really great idea. Now they sell both the knife display case and the watch display case in smaller sizes, and also in a black variant, which is really cool, but you're kind of stuck deciding between having just a watch display case or just a knife display case. Until now, because now we have the combo deck. So the combo deck is very similar to the watch deck, in which you have the acrylic cover, the 4 posts on the top, and storage in the front. However, a couple of improvements. First and foremost, the top no longer requires to be removed completely to access your knives or your watches, because now they have a hinge system in the back of this acrylic cover. So you can just open it up. I know, very simple, but I think it's a great solution. The other thing is, you might be wondering why this is called the combo deck when you clearly see knife posts here at the top. Well, this is what makes it special. You can actually remove this and replace it with this. And now it's a post for your watch, which means you can configure this however you want. 2 watches and 2 knives, 3 watches, 3 knives, you get the idea. And if you open the drawer in the front, you'll see now that they have lined the inside with felt, which is much better. Now you're not worried about your items scratching the surface inside or getting scratched. This makes you feel more confident in putting your watches in there, or your knives, or anything else. This one is an optional accessory, which is a vegan leather padding that just adds a little bit more character to your display case. And we like that. We like character, we like soft padding for our watches, and I think it just makes the item look a lot more premium. So I'm gonna show you what it actually looks like with the knives and the watches displayed. So I'm gonna put 2 watches here, knives over here. More room inside for, I don't know, just about anything that you can think of. So I'll just put a couple things here. And of course, more room inside. Ha, there you go. And if you want to grab a particular watch for the day, just lift this. I think it's a great idea. The fact that you can change this up depending on maybe your collection, instead of committing to just having a watch display case or a knife display case. This is actually currently running as a Kickstarter project. So if you're interested in getting the combo deck, check out the link in the description below. I believe there's like less than 2 weeks left. I know I'm a little bit late in the game because I'm just a little bit busy, but I wanted to share this with you guys because I think you can take advantage of the Kickstarter pricing. So I'm aware that Kickstarter has its own risks involved, but I'm fairly confident with this brand because I've bought their products, I've worked with them, and you can even check them out on Amazon and they have really good ratings there. So I would take advantage of the pricing. I think the retail price for this is 150 bucks, and if you avail of the Kickstarter price, you get 20% off. The early birds are unfortunately sold out already. I think they were being sold for like $90, which is, I think, a steal. I wanted to say thank you to Holman Hadfield for sending me this. I actually did an unboxing of this product last night in this separate channel that I'll link down below. It's a new channel that I created just to kind of explore interesting products. So if you're interested in exploring new products with me, definitely give that a follow as well. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to this channel because it helps me grow and helps me create more content like this that you can enjoy. But that's it for now. I have more videos coming up. It is the busiest time of the year. Try to get those shopping done as soon as possible. I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching and take care.